Tired to learning English but failing to understand real people? You're not alone. Welcome to Imagine Simple English.
Today, you'll follow my busy morning, but this isn't just a story, it's a workout.
We have listen and repeat sections and 2 interactive quizzes. Ready? Let's go.
Okay, James, I'm leaving now. I have a very busy day.
Wait, Jully, you forgot your bag.
Oh, thank you. I'm so distracted today.
What's your plan? Where are you going first?
First, I need to go to the bank.
What are you going to do there?
I need to pay some bills.
After the bank, are you going somewhere else?
Yes, the supermarket.
Don't forget, we need milk, fruits, and vegetables.
It's on my list. I'll be back around 6 p.m.
Why will you came back so late?
Because I go by bus.
You were right. The bus takes a long time.
And our car is broken. Do you remember?
You were right. I forgot about that.
So please take the car to get fixed.
Okay. Take your umbrella. It's cloudy outside.
It's not going to rain, James. See you later.
You never know. Be safe. Bye. Now, answer the quiz. According to the dialogue, what is Jully's first destination? The pharmacy, the bank, the mechanic, or the supermarket? If your answer was C, you got it right. Congratulations! Jully explicitly says, "First I need to go to the bank," making it her priority.
Why will Jilly come back home late, around 6 p.m.? She needs to fix the car herself. She is going by bus. She has too many bills to pay. Or because of the rain. If your answer was C, you got it right. Congratulations! Jully explicitly says, "First, I need to go to the bank," making it her priority. Now, it's your turn. Repeat the dialogue as if you were me. Jully, ready? Let's go.
Wait, Jully, you forgot your bag. What's your plan? Where are you going first? What are you going to do there? After the bank, are you going somewhere else? Don't forget, we need milk, fruits, and vegetables. Why will you came back so late? You were right. The bus takes a long time. You were right. I forgot about that. Okay. Take your umbrella. It's cloudy outside. You never know. Be safe. Bye.
Great job today. You practiced your listening, improved your pronunciation, and finished the quizzes. Remember, consistency is the key to fluency. If you enjoyed this busy morning with me and James, subscribe to Imagine Simple English so you don't miss our next lesson.
Speaking of next time, Julie is headed to the bus stop right now. But will the bus arrive on time? In the next video, we'll practice English for transportation. You'll learn how to ask for directions, check bus schedules, and handle common travel problems. You don't want to miss it. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.